Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to apply motion blur on CapCut application. So first thing you have to do is just create a new project, or you can also use your previous project. So the motion blur here is used for like blurring the motion of the camera. So if you take a video and then your hand is shaking while taking the video, this motion blur features might help you to like shorten or decreasing the motion of your camera. So let's see. If you can see here, the motion for this clip is quite hard. I mean, like it's too shaken. Yeah, so this video is a little bit shaken. So how to blur or how to make this video smoother, you just need to click a clip into the active mode, and after that we just need to like scrolling into the left side, these features here, the downside features here. Let's scroll into the left side, okay, until we find out a motion blur right here. You just need to click it. Now you just need to adjusting how much you want to blur the motions. Okay, if you want to make it blur enough, just like drag it into the right side, and after that you can also choose the blend to blend the move, and after that you also can adjust in the direction. Either you want to make it like in a forward, backward, or both. I think both is quite efficient, and after that you can also do adjusting the time for applying this motion blur. So the higher the times means that the effect will be applying to the number of you choose here. So twice means this motion blur will be applied into the clip twice, 4 times mean 4 times, and so on and so on. So I will like to do it twice so that the motion will be like blur enough, and then we need to wait until it 100% applied into the clip. That's 1 of the seconds applying the motion blur, and after it's applied, let's check if you can see here. The shaken for the video is quite smooth right there. And that's all the way how to apply a motion blur on a video project on a CapCut application. So if you find out this tutorial got you so well, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.